Hello, and welcome to Termly's weekly news roundup. We want to let you know of all the privacy news that are related to your business. And here is the news for this week. Meta set to pay $90 million for a 2012 tracking lawsuit. Meta has agreed to pay $90 million over a lawsuit from 2012, alleging that Facebook tracked users after they logged off the social media platform. The preliminary settlement will require approval from the federal judge. If approved, it would be one of the most significant privacy class action settlements to date. The privacy violation arose when Facebook used a plugin to store cookie tracking users' visits to third-party websites that had the like buttons. Allegedly, the tracking ensued from April 2010 to September 2011. Facebook had users' permission to track them if they were logged in, but assured to pause when they were logged out. The case was dismissed in 2017, but was revived in April 2020 by a federal appeals court, emphasizing that users can seek to confirm that their privacy was violated and Facebook profited unlawfully. Google to remove cross-app tracking. Google plans to stop cross-application tracking on Android devices and complete removal by 2024. According to Vice President of Product Management, Android Security and Privacy Anthony Chavez, Google is rolling out a Privacy Sandbox for Android with the goal of introducing new, more private advertising solutions. Yet, the present tracking methods will be supported for 2 years during development. Chavez added solutions will limit sharing of user data with third parties and operate without cross-app identifiers, including advertising ID. Google recently announced it wouldn't continue with its plan to replace third-party cookies with Federal Learning of Cohorts. U.S. Senators introduced data broker bill. U.S. Senators John Ossoff, Democrat from Georgia, and Bill Cassidy, a Republican from Louisiana, proposed the Data Elimination and Limiting Extensive Tracking and Exchange Act. This aims to regulate the data broker industry. The legislation specifies a one-time data deletion request, tool management by the U.S. Federal Trade Commission that would erase data from unregistered brokers. It will also create a do not track list, blocking future collection. International Data Transfer Agreement tools proposed in the UK. A proposal in the UK Parliament to change the current standard contractual clauses used to control data movement between the UK and EU and other countries considered to have inadequate equivalent data protection laws. The International Data Transfer Agreement tools can be used by late March, but won't be compulsory until September and will not totally replace existing SCCs until 2024. Check out all of Termly's resources to help your business. Termly, a global leader in data privacy solutions for businesses.